Meaning of handprint.
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 Handprint. The term handprint refers to the impression left by a human hand on a surface. It can be created through techniques such as painting, drawing, or pressing the hand onto a material. Handprints can have various meanings and are often used as a symbol of identity, uniqueness, or ownership. They can also be used in forensic science to identify individuals or in art therapy as a means of self-expression. Overall, handprints hold cultural, emotional, and practical significance in various fields and contexts.